Sa usapin ng child protection, una, napakahalaga na pag-usapan muna ang karapatan ng mga bata. At itong mga karapatan na ito ay napapaloob sa tinatawag natin na United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child or ang UNCRC. It's the first legally binding international agreement that really recognizes children as human beings with their own rights. Hindi lang sila tinitignan na anak ng mga magulang nila, hindi lang sila tinitignan na mga future adults, pero sila ay mga tao na may sariling mga karapatan. Napaka-powerful nito kasi pag sinabi nating convention, kasunduan to and it's legally binding. Kasunduan na kilalanin ng mga bata na may mga karapatan at yung ating commitment, no, especially the governments, no, yung commitment to fulfill its obligations to take care and protect every child. Hindi lang ito simpleng papel, no? Kasi pag inisip natin na convention, agreement, kasunduan, we usually think of a piece of paper. This is not merely a document. Ito ay resulta ng mahaba at matagal na proseso sa pagsulong ng karapatan ng mga bata. So napakahalaga na malaman natin yon, no, for better appreciation, no, and for us, for everyone to really value the UNCRC. Actually, the UNCRC is in response to the global recognition that children are really left behind. They're treated as objects, as properties. They're not part of the legal systems. Hindi sila kinoconsider masyado, no, sa usapin ng mga polisiya, ng mga programa. And worse, they're even used, no, in illegal labor and conflicts. Napakahalaga talaga na meron tayong UNCRC kasi this gives the children and advocates like us. Pwede bang sabihin ko na lahat na tayo are child rights advocates here. This gives us the basis, no, to make governments and institutions accountable to really take care and protect our children. Not only from sexual abuse and exploitation, but from all forms of harm.
Kumbaga,
yes,
talagang may naglaban. Patuloy pa rin na may mga binabago. Ibig sabihin, aktibo kung paano gumagalaw ang pagpapatupad natin ito also internationally.
You know, at least ako, nagkaroon din ako ng learnings about UNCRC and of course, ang ating viewers as well.